Every creature in this video is real. Every behavior has been documented by scientists, and almost none of it looks like anything that should be possible. We are going down. The deeper we go, the stranger it gets. What lives in total darkness, at temperatures just above freezing, under pressure that would crush a human body before it could register the pain? The answer is something science is still struggling to fully describe. Deep ocean is the largest living space on Earth, and we have explored less of it than we have explored the surface of the moon. What you are about to see was filmed during NOAA research expeditions into some of the least visited environments on this planet. Water to any predator. It has made itself invisible by wearing the one color that the deep ocean cannot transmit. In open water, with no shelter and no seafloor within reach, it survives entirely on invisibility and patience, drifting through the dark, trailing its tentacles and waiting for prey to drift against them. What makes this particular jellyfish scientifically interesting is how evolution works in the dark. Two miles beneath the Pacific, a hidden oasis teems with life. This is the Octopus Garden, a massive nursery at the base of the Davidson Seamount, where thousands of pearl octopuses gather to make the ultimate sacrifice. At a crushing depth of 3,200 meters, these purple mothers seek out rare thermal springs. While the surrounding abyss is near freezing, warm volcanic water seeps from the rocks, bathing their delicate pearl-like eggs in life-giving heat. This warmth slashes their incubation time by years, giving the next generation a fighting chance in the dark. Deep in the abyss, 9,000 feet below the surface, a master of endurance hides in the dark. This is the Warty octopus, a creature of the genus Granulodon. Those signature bumps on its skin aren't just for show. The deeper these octopuses live, the more warty they become. But their true power is patience. A mother will guard her eggs for over 4 years without eating once, the longest brooding period of any animal on Earth. In the crushing pressure of the deep, life moves slow, but the warty octopus never flinches. Meet the big red jelly, a deep-sea giant that defies everything we know about jellyfish. Growing over a meter wide, its most unique feature is what it doesn't have. Unlike its cousins, it has 0 stinging tentacles. Instead, it uses 4 to 7 thick, fleshy feeding arms to reach out and capture prey in the dark. Living thousands of feet down, this blood-red predator is so elusive it wasn't even officially described as a new species until 2003. In the perpetual midnight of the Castellano seamount, nearly 2 kilometers beneath the surface, a rare phantom drifts into view. This is the blind lobster, Homerion asper. An ancient crustacean, it has completely abandoned sight to the abyss. Without eyes, it navigates using what scientists call walking noses. Its smaller antennae, the antennules, sweep through the water, detecting faint chemical trails left by prey. Fine sensory hairs along its legs allow it to taste the seafloor itself, while its long primary antennae extend outward like delicate radar arrays, sensing the slightest vibration or pressure shift in the dark. Proving that even in total darkness, evolution finds remarkable ways to perceive the unseen. This entire dive has been shaped by ecosystem engineers, species that quietly build the very foundations of life here. And there it is, one of my absolute favorites, the red tree coral. The red tree coral is not just beautiful, it is one of the most important species in Alaska's deep waters. It creates shelter for rockfish, nursery grounds for juvenile crabs, and refuge for countless other creatures. Corals grow at a remarkably slow rate. With so little food compared to the upper ocean, every inch represents decades, sometimes centuries, of time. In the deep ocean, even the smallest pulse of movement carries meaning. A solitary jelly drifts through cold, nutrient-poor waters, conserving precious energy in the vast blue darkness. A deep-sea fish glides past, its oversized eyes adapted to detect the faintest traces of light in a world beyond sunlight. This delicate medusa moves with steady contractions, its radial symmetry guiding it silently through the water column. From below, its anatomy is revealed. Tentacles arranged in precise circular patterns, equipped to capture drifting prey. Nearby, a transparent colony floats as one coordinated body, many individuals functioning together as a single living system. The crimson medusa pulses slowly. At depth, red becomes invisible, a perfect cloak in the darkness. A comb jelly shimmers with rows of beating cilia, scattering light into subtle rainbows as it propels itself without stinging cells. A squid passes with controlled precision, using jet propulsion and advanced camouflage to survive in open water. Even the smallest drifter, delicate yet resilient, is exquisitely adapted to life in one of Earth's most extreme environments. In the mid-water darkness, a glass squid drifts almost invisibly. Its body is nearly transparent, an extraordinary adaptation that helps it vanish in open water where there is nowhere to hide. The large, forward-facing eyes are built to detect the faintest movement in the dim blue depths. With sudden bursts of jet propulsion, the glass squid can accelerate instantly, escaping predators or seizing prey. And the crushing darkness of the abyss, between 3 and 7 kilometers beneath the surface, lives a creature that seems impossible. It looks as though it has drifted out of a fairy tale. This is the Dumbo octopus. Known to science as Grimpoteuthis, it is one of the deepest living octopuses on Earth. While its shallow water relatives hide among coral reefs, this cephalopod thrives in the abyssal plain, a world without sunlight, where temperatures hover just above freezing, and pressure would crush a human instantly. And yet, the Dumbo octopus moves with ghostly grace. Unlike other octopuses, it does not rely on powerful jets of water to escape danger. Instead, it uses two delicate ear-like fins, gently pulsing them in slow rhythm, as if flying through liquid night. When it settles to the sea floor, it spreads its webbed arms wide, flattening itself against the sediment in a quiet, almost playful posture scientists sometimes call the pancake. But make no mistake, this is a predator. It glides just above the mud, searching for polychaete worms, small crustaceans, and other unsuspecting life hidden in the deep-sea sediment. We know so little about them. Because they live so deep, every encounter depends on robotic explorers descending into a realm more remote than the surface of Mars. Each frame of footage is rare. Each sighting, a gift. In the silent expanse of the deep ocean, a pale figure glides from the gloom. The deep-sea skate, a distant relative of sharks, moves with effortless precision. Its wing-like fins ripple through the cold water, barely disturbing the sediment below. In darkness, thousands of meters beneath the surface, vision fades. So the skate relies on something extraordinary: electroreceptors that detect the faint electrical signals of prey hidden beneath the sand. But it is not alone. Across the seafloor, a crimson holothurian, a deep-sea sea cucumber, rests among the sediment. At depths beyond 3,000 meters, these animals recycle the ocean floor, feeding on the drifting remains of life above. And when disturbed, some can lift gently into the water column, drifting like living embers in the dark. From silent hunters to patient recyclers, the deep ocean is not empty. It is alive. 3 miles down in the Gulf of Alaska, sunlight is a memory. Here, in the absolute dark, reigns a titan, the giant grenadier. Filmed at a record 4,250 meters, this rat-tail is an ancient survivor, often living over half a century. To endure crushing pressures that would flatten standard proteins, its body is packed with TMAO, a molecular shield that keeps its enzymes functional. It is a master of the scarce. Massive eyes capture the faintest bioluminescence, while a sensitive chin barbel detects the vibrations of distant prey in the mud. In a world of extremes, the giant grenadier isn't just surviving, it is the apex predator of the abyss. 600 meters down, in cold blue darkness, a living relic glides into view, the blunt-nose 6-gill shark. Most sharks carry 5 gill slits. This one has 6, an ancient design echoing the earliest sharks that swam these seas long before dinosaurs. Watch the rounded snout, the unhurried movement, built for a world where pressure is crushing and sunlight is gone. Filmed during the 2022 voyage to the Ridge expedition off Puerto Rico, this is a rare meeting with a predator shaped by deep time. The ocean is still our greatest frontier, and it is far from finished, surprising us.